Imagine never paying an electricity bill again for the next 25 years, while your rooftop pays you. In a world where inflation keeps rising and EVs are taking over, home solar power might just be the smartest investment in 2025. But is it worth your money? Let's break it down, city by city. Let's say you invest 1.8 lakhs in a 3 kilowatt rooftop solar system. After a government subsidy of 45,000, your effective cost is just 1.35 lakhs. Now, this system generates about 4,380 units of electricity per year. And if your city's electricity rate is 7 rupees per unit, that's a saving of 30,000 plus every year. Here's the average CAGR on solar investment over 25 years in major Indian cities. In Delhi, payback period is 3.54 years, CAGR is 10.6%, 25-year ROI is 6 at 50%. In Mumbai, payback period is 5-6 years, CAGR is 9.0%, 25-year ROI is 400%. In Hyderabad, payback period is 4.5 years, CAGR is 10.1%, 25-year ROI is 500%. In Bengaluru, payback period is 4 to 5 years, CAGR is 10.3%, 25-year ROI is 550%. In Chennai, payback period is 5 to 6 years, CAGR is 8.9%, 25-year ROI is 400%. In Ahmedabad, payback period is 4 years, CAGR is 10.5%, 25-year ROI is 600%. Fun fact, that's a better CAGR than most mutual funds or gold investments that do net of tax and with far less volatility. Don't want to pay 1.3 lakh upfront? No problem. Several Indian banks and NBFCs offer rooftop solar loans, often under the green energy category. SBI Green Energy Loan, HDFC Bank, Tata Capital, L&T Finance, Power Finance Corporation, IIFL Home Finance under PM Surya Ghar Yojana. Typical loan terms: loan tenure 3 to 7 years, interest rates 8.5% to 11.5% per annum, EMI on 1.3 lakhs for 5 years, approximately 2,700 per month. Now here's the kicker: even after paying your EMI, your monthly electricity bill might drop from 2,800 to just 100-200 rupees, making it practically self-financing. Let's say you take a 1.3 lakh loan at 10% for 5 years. Total EMI payout over 5 years would be around 1.6 lakhs. Meanwhile, your solar savings in 5 years equals 1.5 lakh. So net cost equals just 10,000. That still gives you free electricity for the next 20 years, generating savings of 6 to 7 lakhs. Net ROI after financing still over 400-500%, and you didn't pay upfront. That's a win-win. Here's where it gets even better. The demand for electricity in India is expected to explode over the next decade. Why? Rapid urbanization, AI adoption in homes, and most importantly, the rise of electric vehicles. By 2030, India aims for 30% EV penetration, and every EV needs a daily charge. So imagine the burden on your electricity bill. Unless, of course, your rooftop is doing the heavy lifting. Investing in solar today is not just about saving money, it's about future-proofing your lifestyle. Electricity rates in India have historically increased by 5 to 7% per year. Solar power gives you a fixed cost asset with a 25-year lifespan. That means the more inflation rises, the more value your solar system generates. It's literally a hedge against inflation, just like real estate or gold, but with guaranteed utility savings. Here's why thousands of Indian homeowners are switching to solar in 2025. High ROI, up to 650% over 25 years, that too tax-free quick payback, 3 to 5 years in most cities, low, no upfront cost, finance it with green loans, net metering, sell excess electricity back to the grid, government, subsidy 14k to 45k, savings upfront, boosts property value, environmental impact. One system saves 75 plus trees annually. But wait, solar isn't all sunshine. High upfront cost, if not financed, roof requirement 250, 300 kgs, FT of shadow-free space, weather, dependence, output drops during monsoon policy. Issues: Net metering delays and unclear state policies, portability, hard to take it with you if you move homes. Here's the bottom line. If you own a home with decent roof space and pay more than 6 rupees per unit for power, installing rooftop solar is a no-brainer investment. Whether you pay upfront or take a loan, you're generating tax-free returns, hedging against inflation, and saving lakhs over 25 years. Comment below with your city and I'll help you estimate your solar ROI. Subscribe for more smart investment insights that go beyond stocks and gold. If you found this helpful, hit that like button.